Welcome. In this video we are going to learn httrack web application tool in Linux. httrack takes any website and makes a copy to your hard drive. This can be useful for searching for data on the website offline, such as email addresses, information useful for social engineering, hidden password files. Believe me, I have found a few. Intellectual property, or maybe replicating a login page for an evil twin site to capture login credentials. httrack is not included in Kali, so we will need to download and install it. Let's open up terminal, type httrack space -h. Here you can see that basic usage of httrack, the URL of the site, any options, URL filter, -o location to send copy to. Let's see basic option, O path for mirror or log files plus cache, capital W for mirror website, semi-automatic, and so on. Here you can see some basic example. Let's copy the URL of Bible history, httrack, http biblehistory.com. Copy is completed. Let's open up index file of Bible history. Here you can see that Bible history index page. Using this tool, we can clone any website. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.